Hello and welcome back everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to take a look into the first launchpad on Phantom Network. The project is called Phantom OSS. So this is the website for Phantom OSS, and as the name suggests, this is the premier launchpad on the network. Now let's take a look at their tokenomic system. So their total tokens is hard capped at 100 million tokens, and the public sale was 1 million token, which was offered at $0.05 per token. And let's take a look into what is the recent price action for FTMO token. So let's go to CoinGecko, and as I can see, the current trading price for this token is $0.15, so which is around 15, or you can say 16 cents. So let's take a quick look in their charts, and for 30 days, let's see. So this, as you can clearly see, is range bound between $10 and 10 cents and 20 cents. Let's know what are the advantages of staking with Phantom OSS. Staking gives priority access to future IDOs, and as I have already shown before, staking gives high returns. So as the only thing which I would like to add over here, once the tokens are locked, it will remain locked for 2 weeks. So also here I would like to add that on all the IDO platforms, it is mandatory to purchase the native token to participate in the IDO. But the Phantom OSS team has done away with this system and has allowed the IDO to be accessed by anyone. The difference being FTMO holders will get special bonuses basis their staking size and duration. Also, one common problem faced by most IDO platforms is whale manipulation, where a single whale wallet takes up whole allocation and then dumps on smaller wallets. The team here has come up with an indigenous solution where the early adopters who believe in the value of Phantom OSS can stake early with the project and get high rewards, plus staking longer will give them a better staking score, which in turn will provide higher allocation to the user. And with that, I will show you how you can buy the FTMO tokens. So if you can come down to SpookySwap, so I will share the link down below, and you can buy their tokens from SpookySwap, and you can also provide liquidity from the same website. So if you just go to the swap option, and you can swap the tokens to SpookySwap. So just you have to click over here and you have to select FTMO tokens. So you can select this, and you can select, maybe you have USDC coin, so you can select USDC coin over here, and you can just simply purchase the FTMO token over here. Come back to this pool option, click on FTMO option, enter whatever amount of tokens you want to stake, approve it, and you can just start staking with this platform. And if I just show you quickly how to LP, just come down to SpookySwap again, click on liquidity option, and there are two segments over here. The first is the ingredient A, second is ingredient B. In the first column you have to select USDC, and the second column you can select FTMO, and you have to just supply the tokens. Let's say you are staking 1000 USDC coins, so then this website will automatically take in how many FTMO tokens should be there, and you will be able to provide the liquidity, and you will get some LP tokens, which you will come back to the Phantom OSS website and click on this FTMO LP section, and you have to just provide however number of LP tokens you have received in here, and that will conclude and that will start the staking. So if I quickly take a look into the roadmap for Phantom OSS, so it's clearly mentioned on this website, and the team has continuously delivered on their promises, and there are so many exciting new IDO launches that are planned on the horizon. And with that, guys, let's come to an end for today's video. If you have liked today's topic and would want to know more about Phantom projects and would want more videos on Phantom OSs, please share your views down in the comment section. Give a like to this video and hit that bell notification. With that, thank you everyone. Take care.